How are Adhyatma, or spirituality, and Kal Chakra, or the cosmic cycle, interlinked? It is a two-step process. First, one must understand the significance of the current timeline with respect to the overall cosmic cycle. Next, if convinced, one may participate in the cycle transformation phenomenon, that is, embrace spirituality not by taking sannyas, but by subtly changing one's lifestyle to make a better version of self. Drama is a prescripted eternal cosmic cycle. If the soul observes the drama with detachment by becoming God-conscious, then it can avoid suffering now and become part of Swarnim Bharat in the next cycle. This concept is explained in the following single frame or screen. Long or full form of acronyms used. HW is equal to human world. SW is equal to soul world. AU is equal to angel world. NW is equal to Nirvikari world. VW is equal to Vikari world. TWDW is equal to transit cum diamond world. SCSR is equal to soul conscious, self-realization. BC is equal to body conscious. GCGR is equal to God conscious, God realization. IW is equal to inner world. OW is equal to outer world. SCR is equal to script. S is equal to soul conscious. B is equal to body conscious. Heater is equal to heat engine, efficiency. C is equal to soul engine. QQX is equal to 7 quality of soul, Q from external source. BL is equal to black layer. HTRT is equal to human soul tree, religion tree in soul world. RF is equal to religious founder. CM is equal to conscious mind, cytical mass of deity souls 33 crore. Sum is equal to subconscious and unconscious mind. FNE is equal to food, gyan, and exercise, yog. TQ is equal to time axis or x-axis vis-a-vis Q or quality axis or y-axis. T is equal to cosmic cycle period, temperature source or sink. ACW is equal to anti-clockwise. CW is equal to clockwise. S is equal to thermodynamic entropy, statistical entropy. SS is equal to supreme soul. 5E is equal to 5 elements. ND is equal to deterministic, non-deterministic. Tor is equal to theory of relativity. G is equal to special, general. QP is equal to quantum physics. TD is equal to thermodynamics, thermal death. EQ, SP is equal to emotional quotient, soul power. 2L is equal to 2 lines. ML is equal to multiple lines, interference pattern. S is equal to P. Stress is equal to pressure divided resilience or soul power. EB is equal to energy body. U is equal to universe. A is equal to R. T. Action is equal to delayed reaction, karmic theory as per Newton law. D address and address, N is equal to body name and hush is equal to soul number. Is equal to C, C/2 is equal to constant, half cycle script. HG is equal to history, geography. DI is equal to direct, indirect. UL is equal to uniform line. M times is equal to no merging of souls. E, M is equal to energy to mass. EOC is equal to end of cycle. B times is equal to no birth or beyond boundary. BR is equal to birth. RAM is equal to random access memory. HD is equal to hard disk. PMP is equal to physics, metaphysics. ID is equal to identification, ego, my. T is equal to HF thought energy of soul proportional to frequency. DIBXH is equal to religion's tree, D is equal to deity, I is equal to Ibrahim, B is equal to Buddhism, X is equal to Christianity, H is equal to Hinduism. WL is equal to word line. DM is equal to dimension. E is equal to MC2 is equal to energy to mass formula. 1L is equal to only one last logical birth. L, SCR, is equal to length of script. LIFO is equal to last in first out. BT is equal to binary tree, N is equal to hash nodes, H is equal to depth of tree. H is equal to information entropy. H is equal to 75 is equal to happiness is equal to 75% 3/4th of cosmic cycle, relative. E is equal to electron represents Prakriti of 5 E at quantum level. NS is equal to neuroscience. V is equal to toe vibration is equal to theory of everything. 1M is equal to 1 to 1 or many correspondence. LL is equal to lubrication layer, green, versus friction, black. D is equal to dual nature of Prakriti energy or particle. SPT is equal to space, time dimensions. A1 to 3 is equal to actor, 1 is equal to soul Purush, 2 is equal to Prakriti, 3 is equal to Param Purush. 87/84 L is equal to human soul with 7 qualities, out of 84 lakh type of souls. BB is equal to battery backup. V dash B is equal to Vishnu to and fro Brahma. M plus P is equal to memory plus processing. RY is equal to Rajyog.
Long or full form of acronyms used. HW equals Human World, SW equals Soul World, AW equals Angel World, NW equals Nirvakari World, VW equals Vakari World, TWDW equals Transit Come Diamond World, SC/SR equals Soul Conscious Self-Realization, BC equals Body Conscious, GC/GR equals God Conscious /God Realization, IW equals Inner World. OW equals Outer World, SCR equals Script, S equals Soul Conscious /B equals Body Conscious, He/I equals Heat Engine /Efficiency, Southeast equals Soul Engine, Q/QX equals 7 Quality of Soul/Q from external source, BL equals Black Layer, HT/RT equals Human Soul Tree/Religion Tree in Soul World, RF equals Religious Founder, CM equals Conscious Mind / Cytical mass of deity souls, 33 crore SUM equals subconscious and unconscious mind, F and D equals food, GAN, and exercise, YOG. T/Q equals time axis or x-axis vis-a-vis Q or quality axis or y-axis, T equals cosmic cycle period, temperature source, or sync ACW equals anti-clockwise, CW equals clockwise, S equals thermodynamic entropy, statistical entropy, SS equals supreme soul, 5E equals 5 elements, D, ND equals deterministic, non-deterministic, TOR equals theory of relativity, SP, G equals special, general, QP equals quantum physics, TD equals thermodynamics, thermal death, EQ, SP equals emotional quotient, soul power, 2L equals 2 lines, ML equals multiple lines, interference pattern, S tongue sticking out / R stress equals pressure divided resilience or soul power, EB equals energy body, U equals universe, A equals R, T, action equals delayed reaction. Karmic theory as per Newton law, D/address and address, N equals body name and hashtag equals soul number equals C. C/2 equals constant, half cycle script. Long or full form of acronyms used. H/G equals history, geography, D/I equals direct/indirect, UL equals uniform line, M times equals no merging of souls, E-M equals energy to mass, EOC equals end of cycle, B times equals no birth or beyond boundary, BR equals birth, RAM equals random access memory, HD equals hard disk, P/MP equals physics. Metaphysics, ID equals identification, ego. My E. T equals HF thought energy of soul proportional to frequency, D IBXH equals religions tree. D equals deity, I equals Ibrahim, B equals Buddhism, X equals Christianity, H equals Hinduism, WL equals word line, DM equals dimension, E equals MC2 equals energy to mass, formula 1, L equals only one last logical birth, L, SCR, equals length of script, LIFO equals last and first out, BT equals binary tree, N equals hashtag nodes, H equals depth of tree, H equals information entropy H equals 75 equals happiness equals 75% 3/4 th of cosmic cycle, relative. E equals electron represents Prakriti or 5e at quantum level ns equals neuroscience V equals TOE vibration equals theory of everything 1:1/m equals 1:1 or /many correspondence LL equals lubrication layer, green, versus friction, black. D equals dual nature of Prakriti energy or particle sp/t equals space. Time dimensions A1/2/3 equals actor, 1 equals soul/purish 2 equals Prakriti 3 equals Param Purish H7/84 L equals human soul with 7 qualities. Out of 84 lakh type of souls BB equals battery backup V-B equals Vishnu to and fro Brahma M plus P equals memory plus processing RY equals Rajyog.
Drama is the journey of us, the souls, coming from the soul world and interacting with Prakriti in the human world under predefined rules. History is the time dimension of drama, consisting of 4 yug, whereas geography is the space dimension of drama, consisting of the soul world and the human world. The human world is a part of the universe made up of 5 elements. The universe and the soul world are separated by a thermodynamic boundary. Purush or the human soul is a primary actor in the drama, having an inherent quality called original sanskar or atmadharm or swadharm, consisting of 7 qualities, namely Gyan or wisdom, Pavitrata, Shanti, Prem, Sukh, Anand, and Shakti. This is denoted as Q, the quality of soul, and depicted in green color, and is part of the subconscious and unconscious mind of the soul. Thought originating from the conscious mind is the energy of the soul, which is continuously discharging as per the formula. Thought energy is proportional to the thought frequency. The built-in drama script is part of the unconscious mind of the soul. Sanskar, which is part of the subconscious and unconscious mind, is comparable to a hard disk or permanent memory. It generally overrides the conscious mind, which is comparable to semiconductor or temporary memory, consisting of mind or man, which thinks, and intellect or buddhi, which decides and visualizes. Prakriti or Panchbhut or 5 elements is the second actor in the drama, which follows the laws of thermodynamics, that is, the quantity of energy remains constant, that is, the law of conservation of energy, but more significantly, the quality of energy keeps deteriorating as per the law of entropy. Everything spontaneously or naturally transfers from new to old, or from order to disorder, with the passage of time. The behavior of Prakriti resembles the two states of the heat engine. The ideal or frictionless state gradually transforms into the real state once friction is introduced in the course of time, thereby further reducing the engine efficiency or quality of Prakriti. Prakriti as energy appears to be controlled by observation through conscious mind because of the limitation of the conscious mind of Purush in perceiving only tangible physical things. Therefore, Prakriti is perceived as physical. However, the behavior of Prakriti is actually controlled by a predefined script residing in the unconscious mind of Purush. This is validated by quantum physics, neuroscience, and the special theory of relativity. Graphical representation of the journey. The x-axis represents journey time, whereas the y-axis represents the common deteriorating quality of Prakriti and Purush, as per spiritual and matter entropy to be verified using quantum physics, theory of relativity and thermodynamics. This implies that the unit of measurement of the quality of Purush controls the unit of measurement of the quality of Prakriti. The unit of measurement of the quality of Prakriti is entropy, whereas the unit of measurement of the quality of Purush is going to be Vikar. A predefined religion-based inverted human soul tree exists in Soul World, the home address of every soul in descending order of soul power. The journey starts from the soul world to the human world by first birth, as per the law of attraction, when the soul power of Purush equals the charge of Prakriti, which implies a reduction in the soul count in the soul world and a subsequent increase in the soul count in the human world, thereby increasing the population of the human world. The law of subsequent death and birth is the change of dress and address of the human body. Janmadharm may change with every birth, like the body name, whereas Atmadharm, associated with every soul, remains the same, like a soul serial number, throughout the journey of the soul. During the course of the journey, the quality of human religions or civilization keeps degrading because of the deterioration of Atmadharm, the original quality of every soul. As shown in the diagram, the lubricated green area is gradually reduced because of consumption in the first two circles, representing the first two yug, namely gold and silver. As per the soul conscious script called script S, it is further reduced because of ever-increasing friction, depicted as a black layer, in the next two circles representing the next two yug, namely copper and iron, as per the body conscious script called script B. The green area represents Prakriti lubrication, or the equivalent Purush emotional quotient or soul power, whereas the black area represents Prakriti friction, or the equivalent Purush Vikar. It will be thermodynamically proved, using the two states of the heat engine, namely ideal and real, mapped to the soul engine, that Purush quality degeneration controls Prakriti quality deterioration. In the ideal or nirvikari world, the degeneration occurs due to the external environment of diminishing soul power and an increasing number of souls around, whereas in the real or vikari world, the degeneration is further amplified by the internal vikar of Purush, which increases the entropy of Prakriti. Journey of specific special souls in the ideal nirvikari deterministic soul conscious world, consisting of two yug, namely the gold and silver ages. Deterministic world implies only and always happiness, or sukh known as heaven. The inner world, consisting only of Atmadharm, reflects in the outer world of karm, deemed zero or deemed akarm, during the nirvikari world journey. Graphically, the journey is shown as a red line. During the course of the journey of many births, the soul's attachment to the body increases, so the self is gradually identified as the body instead of the soul. This is called Dehbhan, or body or role consciousness. This phenomenon is called Maya, or illusion of the self-identity. This journey from soul consciousness to body or role consciousness is deemed to be the quality transition of Purush from Sato to Tamo. As a result, the inherent internal Atmadharma of the soul, the overall true happiness residing in the inner world of the soul, is forgotten as unconscious mind functions based on last in first out. But that happiness is vital for the survival of the soul, which is made up of 7 qualities, just as air, water, etc. are vital for the survival of the human body, as it is made up of 5 elements. So now, overall pseudo-happiness is acquired from the outer world instead of the inner world in the form of Kam plus Moha plus Lobh, resulting either in accumulation as Ahem Vikar or in deprivation as Krodh Vikar. As a result, Vikar, depicted in diagram as the black layer, gets attached to the soul as part of the subconscious and unconscious mind, as acquired sanskar during the journey. So Purush is not nirlep and is identified as either Pap or Punya Atma. Moreover, acquired sanskar are reflected in both body and soul in subsequent births. Correlation exists between the 7 qualities of the soul and 7 body organ systems, namely Gyan with the nervous system, Pavitrata with immunity, Shanti with respiration, Prem with cardiology, Sukh with digestion, Anand with the endocrine system, and Shakti with the muscular and skeletal systems. Journey of all souls in the real Vikari, non-deterministic, body-conscious world, consisting of 2 yug, namely the copper and iron age. The inner world has now acquired Vikar, which overrides the original Sanskar, which in turn reflects in the outer world as Karm, deemed negative or deemed Vikarm. The non-deterministic nature implies that karmic gati is guhya. It implies both sukh and dukh. The downward trend of the journey is moderated by religious founders incarnating from different religious branches of the soul world tree from time to time, such as Ibrahim through Islam, Mahavir through Jainism, Buddha through Buddhism, Christ through Christianity, Shankaracharya through Sannyas religion, Muhammad through the Muslim religion, and Nanak through Sikhism etc. The effect is shown as a black dotted line converted to a full line, reducing the slope of the journey, or putting a kind of brake on the spiritually downward trend of going from Sato to Tamo through either purity in Sannyas Marg or to some extent, by following Bhakti Marg based on Janmadharm. The maximum number of births in each yug is as follows: 8 for gold, where the average age per birth is 150 years, 12 for silver, where the average age per birth is 100 years, 21 for copper, and 42 for iron, where the average age per birth is non-deterministic implies non-immortality, totaling 83 births. Purush discharges only as per external deterministic factors during the journey in the soul-conscious nirvikari world of the gold and silver age. Whereas during the journey in the body-conscious vikari world of the copper and iron age, Purush discharges further because of the additional accumulation of internal vikar. As per the formula, an increase in Purush Vikar triggers an increase in the entropy of Prakriti, leading to thermal death, that is, a kind of end of the world. This is the default uniform journey of perfect and fair distribution of Sukh and Dukh, which is applied to every soul going from Sato to Tamo, as validated by the laws of physics, namely quantum physics, thermodynamics, and the theory of relativity special. For example, the overall distribution of Sukh and Dukh among, say, Bharatvasi or Indians vis-a-vis Europeans depends on the human world entry time of the relevant soul's red entry line for Bharatvasi or Indians vis-a-vis black entry line for Europeans. All eternal things day, year, and kalp or kalchakra are, or should be, cyclic and made up of four parts, namely 4 prahar equals 1 day, 4 ritu equals 1 year, 4 yug or ages should equal 1 kalp or cosmic cycle. However, the yug part of the kalp or cosmic cycle is beyond the lifetime of a human soul. Hence, the cyclic nature is not visible to human souls, but is visible or known only to the Supreme Soul, which is beyond the life and death cycle of the drama. Of course, they say history repeats, so should Kalp, or the cosmic cycle. The cosmic script is a cycle as per the general theory of relativity, which overrules the script as a straight line as per the special theory of relativity. This is further revalidated by quantum physics. The journey can be a cycle only if the y-value in the graph, that is, vikar of Purush and the entropy of Prakriti, becomes zero. As per physics, the entropy of Prakriti is ever increasing, so it cannot become zero. Metaphysics phenomenon has to overrule physics by making the vikar of Purush equal to zero, which makes the entropy of Prakriti equal to zero at the predefined time interval capital T, because Purush Vikar controls the entropy of Prakriti as per quantum physics and thermodynamics. In the graph, a placeholder for the metaphysics entity is shown, as well as a brown dotted journey line intersecting the time axis at the predefined time interval capital T. This implies that the journey, or drama, is a cycle, or eternal Kalchakra. World drama is eternal cosmic cycle, is being derived using the 7 laws of quantum physics, neuroscience, theory of relativity specific and general, thermodynamics, and metaphysics. Law 1. Conscious mind of Purush controls Prakriti, as per quantum physics before observation in the double-slit experiment. Application. Sankalp se Srishti. Law 2. Unconscious mind script residing in Purush controls Prakriti, as per quantum physics after observation in the double-slit experiment. No cause and effect correlation implies that Prakriti is controlled by a predefined script recorded in the unconscious mind of every Purush. Purush unconscious mind script controls the conscious mind, which generates thoughts or sankalp, which implies no free will, as verified by neuroscience and the Libet experiment. Therefore, the Purush unconscious mind script controls the conscious mind and its sankalp, which in turn controls Prakriti. Law 3. Purush script controls Prakriti script, which is a linear word line made up of four-dimensional plane fabric having space event points x, y, z, and t as per quantum physics and theory of relativity special. Law 4. Quantity of energy remains constant, but quality of energy is always declining, that is, Prakriti quality goes downward. As per the two states of the heat engine where efficiency value implies loss of energy. This is the transition from the ideal, deterministic, external only, frictionless state to the real, non-deterministic, inclusive internal, with friction state, that is, the law of entropy, or the second law of thermodynamics. As per previous laws, the quality of Purush controls the quality of Prakriti as per the script. The unit of measurement of the quality of Prakriti is entropy. The unit of measurement of the quality of Purush will be derived. Law 5. The unit of measurement of the quality of Prakriti is entropy S, and this maps to the unit of measurement of the quality of Purush, which is Vikar, shown as black layer. Heat engine non-deterministic state maps to the Vikari world, shown in black, whereas the heat engine deterministic state maps to the Nirvikari world, shown in green. Entropy mapping is as follows: delta S. The thermodynamic entropy difference maps to capital S. The statistical entropy based on theory of probability, which maps to capital H. The information entropy, using the binary tree and Maxwell's thought experiment. Information means memory plus processing, which maps to the brain and to the soul, and finally to Purush Vikar. Law 6 is based on all the previous laws of physics. It describes a linear, uniform script applicable to all souls, in which quality, or emotional quotient, keeps deteriorating over time. Increase in Vikar quality of Purush triggers increase in entropy quality of Prakriti until thermal death. Law 7. The law of cycle. Mass of Earth as per general theory of relativity generates geometric cyclic curvature on the four-dimensional plane fabric as per special theory of relativity. Thus Prakriti script is transferred from linear to cycle. As Purush script controls Prakriti script, it implies Purush script is a cycle. Revalidated by quantum physics, because the results before observation, clockwise, equal the results after observation, anticlockwise. The metaphysics entity overrides law 6, which is the straight line, by making the y or quality axis value equal to 0. That is law 7, the law of cycle. The y-axis, that is, Purush quality vikar, becomes 0, which in turn makes Prakriti quality entropy equal to 0, intersecting the x or time axis at point capital T, which is 5000 years, the period of the eternal cosmic cycle. The metaphysics entity is the third actor of the drama, called Parampurush, or Paramatma or God, and is a human soul with Atmadharm or Q value equal to infinity. The soul serial number is 0, and that is why it is called the Supreme Soul or Shiv, the root of the human soul tree having frequency less than 0. It is the only soul capable of charging other human souls because it has no body and does not come into the life-death cycle, and so there is no vikar attached, as it always remains in the soul world beyond the universe or entropy boundary. Everything else within the universe has to follow the law of spiritual and matter entropy, resulting in spontaneous discharging in the course of time. Every other soul, or Purush, has frequency greater than 0, that is, it is always discharging. Parampurush purifies Purush by making Vikar equal to 0, in turn making the entropy of Prakriti equal to 0, thereby completing the cosmic cycle by changing the direction of the journey. A religious founder reduces the slope of the black line, thereby contributing to an increase in the cosmic cycle period and working as battery backup, whereas Parampurush, as the charger, is responsible for the drama being a cosmic cycle, or Kal Chakra. The incarnation or avtaran of Parampurush or Paramatma or God, as mentioned in the Yada Yada shlok of the Gita, takes place during the cycle transition time from the Vikari world to the Nirvikari world, called Sangam Diamond Transition or Gita Yug. The objective is to charge human souls by Gyan Murli or true Gita, as Parampurush, being the seed, is the only one knowledgeable about human tree history. The angel world, or third world, or Sukshma Vatan, is temporarily created for transformation work by the energy bodies of Trimurti Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh to assist God. This phenomenon is also indirectly mentioned in scriptures as the last Kalki avatar of Vishnu. Incarnation, or Avtaran, follows the principle of two souls in one body, and this remains the same for both the religious founders and for Parampurush. The soul of Christ, Buddha and Mahavir, the religious founders, are incarnated in the respective human bodies of Jesus, Gautam and Vardhaman. Similarly, the soul of Parampurush, or Paramatma, or God, called Shiv, is incarnated in the human body of Brahma, functioning merely as a medium. Either the spiritual or settlement part of the cycle is inevitable for every soul, as per the graph. As per scriptures, getting a human birth after suffering through 84 lakh yoni is itself considered a unique or durlabh opportunity. The fact is that the soul does not change yoni, and the human soul takes a maximum of 84 births per cycle. So, the opportunity to recognize Parampurush, or Paramatma, or God, is now during only one last logical, knowledge-based, and not biological, 84th birth of the cycle, which is dynamic and specific to the individual soul, as indicated by the yellow point in the graph. Different theories of the duration of the cosmic cycle, capital T, exist, proving it to be either 5,000, 10,000, 4,000, or 6,000 years. As per the James Bible, heaven existed 3,000 years before Christ, that is, 2,000 plus 3,000 makes it 5,000 years. Kali Yuga is of 1,200 divine years plus a 50-year transition period, which is equal to 1,250 times 4, which equals 5,000 years, provided all yuga are of the same duration. As per statistics, the population of the world was almost zero around 4,000 years ago. The Kalki phenomenon repeats every 6,000 years. Astronomy concerns the third rotation of the Earth around the Sun. The diameter ratio of the world and the Sun is around 100, so the surface area ratio is 10,000. To scan the surface of the Sun, it takes 10,000 years for the world. The truth is that the duration of the cosmic cycle, capital T, is 5,000 years, with each yuga lasting 1,250 years. The maximum duration of the Durlabh opportunity in Sangam Yuga is 100 divine years, the lifespan of Brahma as per the scriptures. The duration of Sangam Yuga, overlapping Kali Yuga, or the Iron Age, is 100 calendar years. Tattvam. Why is Sangam Yuga considered Durlabh? The yellow point in the diagram is the present time in the cosmic cycle. The probability is 1 soul in 10,000 for 84 births in a cycle, 1 soul in 500 for birth in the golden age, and 1 soul out of 30 for birth in the silver age. The earlier one recognizes Parampurush, the better it is for the soul. The higher the probability, better prarabdha. Hence, it is a durlabh birth. Purification, that is, attaining the original state of Atmadharma, or making Vikar equal to zero, is a prerequisite for completing the cosmic cycle. Entry through the pure soul world follows the reverse process. 1. Reduce the black layer, or Vikar, accumulated in the last two yuga of the iron and copper ages, by Raj Yoga. 2. Attain the original charge lost during the first two yuga of the gold and silver age and generate prarabdha script, kind of like getting inheritance of the nirvikari deterministic world known as Swarnim Bharat from the Soul Father, the Supreme Soul, based on the principle of change in sanskar for change in sansar from the vikari world to the nirvikari world. Both are feasible by becoming God conscious and soul conscious, or through God come self-realization, which is the real definition of astik, by matching soul frequency to God frequency, by changing one's lifestyle to purity to become pseudo-bodiless or ashriri only for the logical last birth of the cycle, and thereby experiencing the presence of God in four ways as per the science of Rajyog. 1. Soul to Supreme Soul to way communication by telepathy. 2. Generation of harmonics, as experienced in Atindriya Sukh, because of frequency matching with the Supreme Soul. 3. Increase of emotional quotient, or resilience, through soul charging via God charging, that is, meditation, leads to a reduction of stress or suffering as per the formula, stress equals pressure divided by resilience. The God charging process, using the 7 qualities of the soul, and not by Hatha Yoga of body, is as follows. Input equals Rajyog Gyan plus Pavitrata Dharana, that is, change in lifestyle. Process equals being soul conscious using Shanti, Prem and Sukh. Output equals experiencing God consciousness through Anand, resulting in Shakti, or soul power, or resilience. 4. Personality, or sanskar, change occurs because of the burning of vikar deposited in the subconscious and unconscious mind of the soul by the power of the Supreme Soul. The analogy is, the sun is Parampurush, or Supreme Soul, the focus by the lens is Rajyog through Man and Buddhi, and the paper is Vikar. cycle completion is inevitable either by yoga, that is God-conscious karma, represented by the red line, or by karma bhog, represented by the black line. Pain is inevitable for all souls because of vikarm done in the body-conscious state during the Vikari world journey, which has to be nullified either through suffering, that is karma deemed cross, or bhog. As per Newton's law, action is the delayed reaction, which could extend over many births, as shown by the black line. The other option is through Raj Yoga, with no suffering and karma deemed positive, to generate prarabdha script for 20 births in the Nirvikari world by Ruhani, and not by Jismani karma, during one single Durlabh birth in the Sangam Yuga, applicable to 33 crore special souls. As unconscious mind functions based on last in first out. The principle is, in spite of Vikar, depicted as the black layer, Atmadharm becomes the output because of charging through God consciousness as it happens in the Nirvikari world. The starting point of the soul world to human world journey is the first soul birth, and it keeps happening sequentially for every soul. At the right time, when the soul count in the soul world becomes zero, the simultaneous reverse journey of all souls begins, from the human world back to the soul world. This end-of cycle phenomenon is called Qayamat, or Shiv ki Barat, or Apocalypse, as mentioned in scriptures. However, this is not the end but the transformation of the cycle, because the soul count in the Bharat region of the human world, deemed Shashvat, neither becomes zero nor gets affected by nuclear holocaust. 4 features of end or transformation of cycle are: 1. Mahabharat, or World War III, except in India. 2. Civil war in India. 3. Natural calamities everywhere for the reinitialization of Prakriti before transformation to the new world. 4. Residual vikar is nullified for all souls in the angel world, or Sukshmavatan, through self-realization or Paschatap. Purush transitions to and from Vam Marg happens twice in each cycle, that is, every 2500 years. First, at the Sangam of the Silver and Copper ages, the initiation of Kam Vikar because of Dehbhan described in scriptures as the Adam-Eve apple syndrome. Second, the current Sangam Yuga of the Iron and Gold ages, when Vikar becomes zero as a purification process, described in scripture as Qayamat. Purush Vikar controls the entropy of Prakriti. A change in Purush Vikar reinitializes the entropy of Prakriti. Therefore, only 2500 years of history is remembered at a time. Question: Kahan se aaye kaha jana to the soul? Answer: From the soul world to the human world, and return to the soul world. Parampurush returns to the soul world. However, it returns to the human world at every sangam of every cosmic cycle. Cycle re-entry from soul world to human world implies that there is no nirvana or merging. As soul as per Gita cannot be destroyed, created, or merged with other souls or with the soul world as soul count remains constant throughout. Moreover, as per quantum physics, the merging of two integers cannot be a fraction. Every soul passes through the angel world and the soul world once every cosmic cycle before re-entering the human world. The duration of a stay of soul in the soul world is inversely proportional to the power of the soul. Higher the soul power, longer the stay in the human world. As per Mahabharat scripture, everything begins with the Gita sermon, followed by Mahabharat war, leading to Sadgati only for Pandav representing God-conscious Indians, and not for Kaurav representing non-God conscious Indians or Yadav representing foreigners, in heaven. This three phenomenon of Gita sermon, Mahabharat war and Pandav Sadgati maps to three functions of God. Mahabharat scriptures actually describes the current transition time or Sangam Yug where, first, Gita sermon is Rajyog teaching by Parampurush which purifies souls to become eligible for Nirvikari world or heaven by conquering the Maya or Vikar or body consciousness deemed as Maya Yudh, equivalent to generate function of God of transforming or purifying Vikari souls by Brahma. Second, transformation of Prakriti from old Vikari world to new Nirvikari world, equivalent to disrupt function of God by Mahesh, se Shankar ki tapasya se vinash. Third, maintain the heaven, the Nirvikari dynasty of Vishnu or Lakshmi and Narayan or Adam and Eve equivalent to operate function of God, of course followed by Ram and Sita dynasty. The three deities or Trimurti of Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh, children of Shiv, use the angel world for transformation work. Is Bhagwanvaj as mentioned in Gita of Vyas derived from the concept of cosmic cycle as visible to Parampurush? In the true Gita, Krishna symbolizes Parampurush, whereas Arjun symbolizes every Purush, or the soul. However, in the Mahabharat Gita by Vyas, some shlok do refer to some points mentioned in the cosmic cycle, or the true Gita, namely the various types of soul, soul energy, spiritual path, and cosmic law as derived from the eternal cosmic cycle, which shall be explained next. Four types of soul. Type 1, Parampurush, or Paramatma, takes birth only by incarnation during Sangam Yug in the human body of Brahma. It remains at the top of the human tree as serial number 0, called Shiv, followed by souls in descending order of soul power located on the soul world's inverted tree. Type 2. Deity souls enter only in the Nirvikari world, totaling 33 crore special souls. Type 3. Other religions' souls enter the Vikari world, where they coexist with Hindus descended from deity souls. Type 4. Religious founders enter the Vikari world, where the first birth is by incarnation, and during that time they preach the specific religion. The type of soul energy, thoughts, or soul state, and the resultant karmic state changes as per yug or time. In the Nirvikari world, it is Sankalp, the soul conscious state. Karma is deemed zero, graphically represented by the red line. In the Vikari world, it is Vikalp, the body or role conscious state. Karma is deemed negative, represented by the connecting black line. In the transit world, there are two options. Yoga option. It is a Shresht Sankalp, a God-conscious state. Karma is deemed positive, represented by the red line from the yellow point. Bhog option. It is Paschatap, a body-conscious state. Karma is deemed cross, represented by the black line from the yellow point. At the micro level, soul or the supreme soul script controls the Purush conscious mind, which controls the Prakriti script based on the theory of everything or theory of vibrations, which could be the scientific basis of a single theory for the cosmic cycle or Kal Chakra. Two paths or marg to seek God. Gyan marg is Sukshma, based on Atmadharm, and means direct two-way communication with Parampurush, with role reversal within the total cycle, applicable to the critical mass of souls who become God-conscious during Sangam Yuga. True concept of role reversal, Puja with Pujari, Vishnu with Brahma, Hum so hum or I was that, whereas concept as per scriptures, Soham or I am that or Ahem Brahmasmi or universal consciousness. Bhakti Marg is Sthul Kriya, based on Janmadharm, and is indirect one-way communication with Parampurush through, say, visible idols of religious founders, applicable to the known history of the world. Every soul navigates Bhakti Marg. Only special souls, as per the predetermined script, are gifted Gyan Marg, through which they are able to recognize Parampurush during Sangam Yuga and self-transform from hell to heaven. Adhyatma is the journey of the soul in Sangam Yuga from body consciousness to soul consciousness, using God consciousness, that is, a change in lifestyle so that soul frequency matches God frequency. Adhyatma is also the daily dosage of food for the soul, that is, Gyan, which gives positivity to the soul. Adhyatma is also the daily dosage of exercise for the soul, or yoga, that is, to remain God conscious. Purush controls Prakriti in general, and the body in particular. So Adhyatma gives you 4H, namely happiness of mind, health of body, harmony in relation with other souls, and harmony with Prakriti, called heaven. Vikar acquisition is automatic during to Yuga of Kalchakra, however, only through Adhyatma, or Rajyog, or by being God conscious. The vikar recorded in the subconscious and unconscious mind can be removed to avoid suffering now, that is, during Sangam Yuga, and to enable subsequent entry into the nirvikari deterministic world called heaven, the world of happiness, or sukh, only and always. The only other option is to suffer now and only be part of the vikari, non-deterministic world of Sukh and Dukh, based on karmic gati. So Adhyatma is about Vikar Chakra, which leads to Kal Chakra. To summarize, 4 cosmic laws are responsible for the drama being an eternal cosmic cycle, or Kal Chakra. Law 1. As per physics, the journey from Sato to Tamo is uniformly applicable to every soul for 4 yuga, and is depicted as a black dotted line. Law 2. The law of cycle. During Sangam Yuga, the current Yuga, the metaphysical phenomenon of Parampurush overrules the physical phenomenon described in Law 1, reversing the journey from Tamo back to Sato. This is depicted by a brown dotted line. Law 3. Cycle completion happens either by Yoga, represented by the red line, or by Bhog, represented by the black line, in the reverse direction. Law 4. Poetic justice. Through Purusharth of Rajyog, one creates prarabdha for the Nirvikari world, moving from red line to red line of Nirvikari world for the critical mass of souls. Otherwise, by default, Paschatap Bhog leads from the black line back to the black line of the Vikari world. A unique overview of the cosmic cycle and its correlation with spirituality on a single screen, frame, or canvas. Space dimension of the drama, 3 worlds. Soul Nirakar, human Sakar and subtle Akar. Time dimension of the drama, 5 Yuga, represented by 7 circles, classified as 3 logical worlds, namely Nirvikari world, Vikari world, and transit world, with 4 types of karma, 0, negative, positive, and cross. 3 actors of the drama, Purush, Prakriti, and Parampurush. 4 laws of drama resulting in Kalchakra. Three God functions: Brahma generates, Vishnu operates, and Mahesh destructs. Accumulation and removal of vikar on human souls during the drama, resulting in Kalchakra. References of physics and metaphysics phenomena affecting the drama. Every soul is now at the yellow point and has two options. Either get automatically pulled by the cosmic cycle and suffer, returning to the Vikari world by following the black path, or push the cosmic cycle by changing lifestyle and enter the Nirvikari world by following the red path. Change in lifestyle means becoming soul conscious by matching soul frequency to God frequency. Spirituality or Adhyatma is changing lifestyle based on the understanding of the current context of Kal Chakra. If not done now, it may never happen. The drama is a prescripted, eternal cosmic cycle. The soul can observe the drama with detachment only by becoming God conscious, so it can avoid suffering now and become part of the Swarnim Bharat in the next cycle. To conclude, what has been explained is God's true Gita for every soul to follow to make a better version of self by getting rid of acquired vikar to enable one to be a detached observer of cosmic drama, where every soul is playing the pre-recorded script.
Behind-the-scenes science or physics of the cosmic cycle, namely quantum physics, neuroscience, theory of relativity, both special and general, thermodynamics, and the theory of everything, along with Dwait and Advait philosophy.
As per before and after observations of the double-slit experiment on the flow of electrons representing Prakriti, observed multiple lines imply wave behavior, whereas observed two lines imply particle behavior. The default form of Prakriti is energy, or wave, or a superposition of multiple states. However, Prakriti changes its behavior from energy to mass, or particle, or from multiple states to a single state, when observed by Purush directly through the conscious mind, as the conscious mind of Purush understands only the single state, forcing Prakriti to collapse from a multiple state superposition to a single state. This is explained by the example of dice. A dice in the air implies that it is in 6 concurrent states, whereas a dice in the palm is in one of the 6 states, which is the result of measurement. This proves the duality of Prakriti. The fact that two-line or particle measurement before observation equals the result after observation implies that there is no cause and effect correlation, which in turn implies that the behavior of Prakriti is controlled by a predetermined, already recorded script, which also happens to be recorded in the unconscious mind of Purush. As per neuroscience, there is no free will, that is, a predefined script recorded in the unconscious mind controls thoughts generated by the conscious mind. Thus, neuroscience revalidates quantum physics. Prakriti is also controlled by script or word line, which is a sequence of events or points. An event is a predefined four-dimensional entity or point made up of three-dimensional space, x, y, z, or r, plus one dimension of time t. The sequence of points or events culminates in a world line, or script, as per the special theory of relativity. The conclusion is that Purush script controls Prakriti script, which happens to be linear. Explanation of Prakriti to Purush quality mapping using the analogy of the two states of the heat engine, ideal and real. The ideal state of the heat engine shows the deterministic behavior, as the change in the flow of energy is constant because there is no leakage. Whereas, in the real state, behavior is indeterministic because of leakage owing to internal factors like friction, as per Clausius' law of inequality and the Carnot cycle concept of thermodynamics. How heat engine entropy is interlinked to soul engine Vikar? Delta S is the thermodynamic entropy difference between two states, which is mapped to capital S, which is the absolute statistical entropy of a single state, based on the theory of probability. This is further mapped to capital H, which is information entropy based on Maxwell's thought experiment. Information implies memory and processing, and it can be mapped to the human brain, which in turn can be mapped to Man and Buddhi of Purush. H. The information entropy is represented by the depth of the binary tree, which is proportional to the number of information nodes in the binary tree, capital N. Thus, the depth of the tree can be mapped to the Vikar layers of Purush, and the navigation of the tree can be mapped to the Vikalp of Purush. Thus, the entropy of Prakriti is mapped to the Vikar of Purush, represented as the black layer in the diagram. As per quantum physics, Purush controls Prakriti. It can be derived that the quality of Purush, that is Vikar, controls the quality of Prakriti, that is entropy. Prakriti, or the heat engine, is mapped to Purush, or the soul engine. The input heat energy of Prakriti is mapped to the script of Purush. The exhaust energy of Prakriti is mapped to the Sankalp of Purush. The exergy or leakage of Prakriti is mapped to the Vikalp of Purush, and the work done by Prakriti or the heat engine is mapped to the Karma of Purush. The ideal state of the heat engine is equivalent to lubrication for Prakriti, or corresponding Atma Dharma for Purush, whereas the real state of the heat engine is equivalent to internal friction for Prakriti, or corresponding Vikar of Purush. The external environment is mapped as the source temperature of Prakriti, corresponding to the soul power or quality Q of Purush, and the sink temperature of Prakriti, corresponding to the number of souls in the environment. The type of state deterministic and ideal or non-deterministic and real controls the type of karma and the type of death in the human world. Gravity is not a downward force, as explained by Newton, but a geometrical curvature created by the mass of the Earth on a four-dimensional elastic fabric, as per the theory of relativity, special. The conclusion is that Purush script controls Prakriti script, which is circle, or cycle, as per the theory of relativity, general, and not linear as per the theory of relativity, special.
As per quantum physics, both observations, namely before and after observation, give the same result. This implies clockwise equals anti-clockwise, and therefore the script is a cycle.
The downward inclined black arrow represents the automatic phenomenon of the last two yug, that is going from Sato to Tamo. Purush generates Vikar and Vikalp, and Prakriti generates entropy and leakage or exergy. The cycle mechanism implies an arrow in the reverse direction, as per the metaphysics phenomenon. Purush, by either generating Shresht Sankalp in turn Shresht Karm or positive Karm and Prarabdh script, that is the red arrow in the reverse direction, or generating Paschatap, that is the black arrow in the reverse direction, nullifies Vikar to complete the cosmic cycle. Correspondingly, Prakriti also nullifies the generated entropy and exergy or leakage. Correlation of soul state, soul energy, and karmic state is shown. Purush script generates types of thoughts or vibrations, which in turn result in types of karma. This is explained at the micro level using quantum physics, thermodynamics, and the theory of relativity. Many branches of physics are based on size, whether micro or macro, or on speed, whether it approaches the speed of light. All these branches can be unified into one mathematical model, the theory of everything, to explain all aspects of the cosmic cycle based on vibrations of the string in 11 dimensions. Dvait means duality. Advait means non-duality, that is oneness or homogeneity. The concept of Advait and Nirlep implies that all souls are part of one pure, Nirlep, Nirvikari quality, called God, or called the soul world of the sixth element, which is a kind of omnipresence of purity. It implies that no individual human soul is affected by the Vikar cycle, which would imply that there cannot be a cosmic cycle based on Advait philosophy. Actually, this philosophy is not absolute, but a kind of relative perception. Purush, Prakriti including the soul world and human world, and Parampurush are distinct real entities, so this is Dvait philosophy. The Nirvikari world has Advait philosophy. There is oneness in religion, language, kingdom, and deity Sanskriti. There is no role of Parampurush. It is indicated by the red part of the human soul tree in the soul world. The Nirvikari world duration is 2500 years. The Vikari world has Dvait philosophy. There is no oneness, as there are multiple religions, countries, and kingdoms. Of course, there is the role of Parampurush at Sangam Yug for the selected souls who become God conscious and then go to the Nirvikari world in the next cycle and experience Advait in the Nirvikari world. The Vikari world is indicated by the black part of the human soul tree with multiple branches. Its duration is also 2500 years. In Sangamyug, Advait is experienced temporarily during Rajyog. However, with practice, the experience can be converted into permanent realization.